Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and it's been a little while since I've done a vlog get ready with me, but today is Saturday. I don't even know the date, the 26th maybe of May. That's not right. 25th maybe? I don't know. It is the Saturday before Memorial Day here in the U.S., so it's a long weekend, and it's supposed to be like a girly out kind of a weekend where you just hang out outside. The pool's open, all that good stuff. And it's supposed to rain all weekend. Except for today. But today it's muggy and hot and yucky. It went from chilly to scalding. There was no in between, which isn't really unusual. So I don't know why I act surprised when that happens every year. But it's still crazy to me. So that's what we're living in. We turned the air conditioner on, I think, just last week, and now it's like running full time. I don't know if we're going to grill out or not today. Dennis actually works at a country club, my husband, and they have like one of the biggest pools in the state, and a big high dive and all sorts of stuff, so it's really kind of cool, but he has to go in today just because the pool opened last night for members, and he was there. He's been there really late every week, or every night this week, and today he just has to go and check it out and make sure everything is running well and just be there for a couple of hours. So while he's doing that, I think I'm going to try to get my Plan With Me done, because I haven't done that yet for tomorrow, well, for next week, and there's also some crafty things that I need to do, and then maybe later tonight we might go to a movie. Katie hasn't been feeling well, so that's a bummer, but she's starting to feel better. I can tell by the way she's acting and the way she looks that she's feeling a lot better. So that's good. I think she's going to try to take a shower. She hasn't had one in a few days just because she's been feeling so crummy, and every time she sat up or stood up for any length of time, she would get dizzy, so, shower was not in the question. I don't know what was wrong with her. She thought it was food poisoning at first, but since it's lasted so long, I'm not really sure if maybe it was just a summer flu, summer cold. I don't know, but whatever it was, she had it. So it's on the upswing, I guess. And she is hopefully going to be able to go to a movie with us. I don't even know what's playing, so I don't know what we're going to see, but it was just an idea of something fun to do as a family. And Alex is working at a place where he works in shipping and receiving, and he works Monday through Friday, and he works 6 to 2:30, and he loves it. So he's off this weekend, and he gets Monday off too. We may have him come over one day this weekend and hopefully grill out and stuff. I don't know, him and Chloe, but Chloe works as an assistant manager at a retail store in the mall. And they give her a lot of the late shifts, because that's what she prefers, I think. So she works every day this weekend, and retail, you work a lot of weekends. So it would be nice to have them both, but I don't think we're going to be able to get Chloe. But we can get Alex. And I'll have Alex and Katie, which will be nice. And David is in St. Louis. That's Katie's boyfriend. He's in St. Louis, but he does come here next weekend for a job interview. I think on Friday he'll be here, but he'll be here for some of the weekend too. So that's good. Hopefully he'll get that job. It's been a little harder for him because he wasn't able to do an intern just because of the way his semesters worked, and the college Taylor does a really good job of trying to graduate everyone in 4 years, which is fabulous. But sometimes it means that you don't get to do the internship, or there's a piece that you might not, not education wise, but like an extra thing that you might not get to do that would maybe help you. And his, unfortunately, was the internship. So he got some other things that were great, but he didn't get to do that. And so He's even kind of looking at just doing an internship over the summer and hopefully get hired for the fall. And like I said, he lives in St. Louis, but Katie lives here. So he is trying to find a place, or something, not a place, he's trying to find a job closer to Katie. And she has one more year at Taylor. And then I don't know where they're going to go. And Indy is closer than St. Louis to Taylor for sure. Taylor's like 5 hours away. Maybe 4. I don't remember exactly. I think it's 5 though. And we're only about 45 minutes to an hour away. So that's fabulous. It's good for me. And I hope that's where they stay because, of course, I want to be close to my babies. And she thinks that he's the one. So we shall see. Time will tell. My work is very, very busy right now. We have so many things going on. It's insane. I can't keep track of everything. I feel like I'm losing my mind half the time. But it's all right. I mean, I like being busy. Sometimes it's just hard to keep it all. Like I said, I'm afraid that I will drop the ball on something, and that's always a fear. So yeah, there's that. What am I looking for? This. I hope that you guys have a really good Memorial Day weekend, or a really good weekend. I don't know what everybody else, but the other parts of the country are going to be like for this holiday weekend, but I hope that it's not rainy where you are, or if it is, I hope that I hope that you like that, because I honestly like the rain. I don't like it all the time, and I don't like it when I have something outdoor planned, of course. And there's a lot of graduation parties and stuff going on right now, because graduation in our area is next week and next Saturday. So I know, like, my bestie Lisa's son, he graduates on Saturday, and then his party is Sunday. And then I have a bestie in Louisville, and her son's graduation is the 8th, I think, and his party is the 9th. And I'm helping her with that, so that's one of the things that I have to do today, is work on some graduation party things. And I need to go to the grocery store. I mean, just things like that that I just need to get done. And I'm hoping I can get some burgers to grill out on the grill, because that sounds fabulous. We haven't used our grill this summer. Well, this year yet. I don't think. Maybe, but I don't think so. And then there's just a few other things that I want to work on and just kind of enjoy the weekend. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I hope that all of you guys have a wonderful weekend as well. And hopefully I'll get this posted and up so you guys can see it before it gets too far. And as far as Memorial Day goes, I really hope that we take the time to remember and to be thankful and to count our blessings. So thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Are you gonna cry out?